Hey there folks, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the carbon brushes for the electric motor on a Craftsman circular saw. Now if we turn the saw around and look at the motor portion here, you can see there is one carbon brush located right under here and another one located right here. So we're just going to set the saw down and show you how to remove those brushes. Alright, so for this task all you're going to need is a flat edge screwdriver. You'll see there's a slot inside of the cap there. Just stick your screwdriver in and unscrew it. Then you grab your carbon brush out of there. And this one's brand new, I've never used it before, that's why it doesn't look worn out yet. But you're just going to grab your new brush and put it into place the same way you took the old one out. Take your cap, put it back into place. Just nice and snug. Then you're going to spin it around and you're going to do the same thing with the other side right here. Brush comes out, new one goes back in, and there is only one way this will fit. Put your cap back on. And just like that, nice and easy. So that's all there is to this one, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.